One of the things that I struggle with is keeping the grill cleaned after barbecuing. Check this out. This is going to change all of that. This is a battery powered grill brush. So you can see this thing is not fooling around. It has very strong bristles on it. It's going to get rid of all of that mess that you left on the grill. It also has a light on there too, so you can see at night if it's dark and you aren't able to see it. And it comes with an extra battery that you can charge up with USB-C. They also include some gloves, which come in handy when you need to like lift some stuff up to get down there into the deeper spots. And also include a whole extra bristle roll in case, so after a while, if it gets really messy and dirty, you can switch it out. In this set, it also includes this really nice bristle brush and scraper, so you can use that as well to get anything that's a bit more stubborn and do it that way. So really nice kit, but I love the way this works. If you need more power, press the power button to go to mid, or more power, go to 100. I also like that they have this little guard down at the bottom to guard it from your hand, but also make it easy to kind of sit and kind of guide it as you go. It's got 100-watt power, and it's just exactly what I need to keep my grill cleaned. So it takes a little bit of time to get it done, but it gets it done even faster than by hand, and it works great. So I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.